Hey everyone, it's Baldwin here. I have a new assignment for you. It is called Greenhouse Simulation. It looks like this. So when you click on this guy, you're going to get a screen that looks like this. So you have a greenhouse gas simulation, and you're going to be using a website called FET Colorado. So you can click on this, FET Colorado, and you're going to go ahead and click download. Okay, it's going to take a couple minutes. The computer's going to think. It says, yes, please keep that download. And then go ahead and double click on what you just downloaded. If it doesn't pop up down here, you might have to go to start and then downloads. Otherwise, you're going to get a simulation that pops up and it looks like this. There are 3 tabs up here. One says greenhouse effect, glass layers, photon absorption, and then you've got a bunch of tools to play with over here. All right, so this is a piece that you're going to have to download your computer and use. Let's go back to our assignment. Now, you're going to click on the PDF. This is a Kami assignment, so you have to click open with Kami. And then you're going to get a screen that looks a little bit like this. I have the teacher version, so you guys are going to have the student version, so it's going to look a little bit different, but not really by much. So this first page is all information on climate change. And then it tells you your goal of what you're going to do while you're figuring out this greenhouse gas simulator. It says, explain why our climate is changing. You must figure out what is happening to make the earth warmer. I give you some key important definitions here, and then essential questions. You're going to be able to answer all 5 of these by the time you're done with this activity. So as we scroll down, you're going to click that link that I also posted, and you're going to follow all of the directions in here. And then there are a couple spots where you can add responses. So the way to add to it, you're going to click this text box, and you're just going to click where you want to type, and then you can start writing your answers. As you go down, you're going to create a table here. So you're going to use one of the simulations up here, and you're going to have to put information in your table. Then, using this table, you're going to graph it, and there's a drawing icon that you can use to draw your graph. Now, you can make either a bar graph, where you're going to have physical bars going up and down like this, or you can make a line graph. And the line graph is just going to be one line that kind of goes up and down, or maybe all the way up, all the way down. It depends on how you do it. I don't care which graph you do, if it's a bar graph or a line graph. But you need to include a title, labels, and a key. So that means on the box over, you need to make a box over here if you decide to do a bar graph. As we go down, continue to make your answers here. Follow the pictures. And then there are a couple spots where it says claim. Highlight 1. As the amount of water vapor in the atmosphere increases, decreases, the temperature of Earth increases or decreases. You're going to see a couple of questions that look like this, where you have increase and decrease in parentheses. What I would like you to do is just circle whichever you claim to be true. So as the amount of water vapor in the atmosphere goes up or increases, the temperature of Earth, does it go up, increase, or down, decrease? You're going to be able to figure all this out when you play through the different simulations. So once you have everything done, you're going to look at the states of matter basics. This is going to be a recap from 7th grade science, but it'll help you with what we're going to do next after this. Don't forget to submit this using Google Classroom. And if you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to us. Thanks. Have a good one.